Welcome, everyone. The Department of Food and Nutrition at Seth Anandram Jaipuria College invites you all to join us for the Nutrition Month 2022. This year's motto is Poshan Abhiyan, the overarching scheme for holistic nourishment to help educate the community with regards to health and its deep relationship with nutrition. You must have all heard the phrase that we are what we eat. But even practically, it is true. Good food means good life, and that is what we all shout for, isn't it? So, to celebrate this National Nutrition Month, our department holds the much anticipated recipe contest where students will participate in concocting delicacies that will be beneficial to our health. Because, in order to choose healthy, why do we have to make our taste buds suffer? The contest will be started from today, that is, the 6th of September, and will be continued till 17th of September in a series of videos that will be uploaded to YouTube, 2 to 3 videos each day in a prolonged manner. We hereby request you all to go and watch the videos and like and leave comments, as that will help encourage the students.